I will let out my unyielding rage on a random dig post about how Firefly should not have been cancelled. I will continue to prefer the Q episodes to those which feature the Borg. I will scream my lack of comprehension at the television during every screening of The Phantom Menace. I will think less of you if it becomes apparent that you hold Charmed, Hex, or Supernatural in the same regard as Buffy the Vampire Slayer. I will not conceal my disdain for the derivative and predictable plot of the movie Avatar. I will continue to boycott the US version of Life on Mars and any other American remake of a UK series, except The Office. I will become bored of you if you insist on telling me that you have become bored of Lost. I will keep a shovel, rope, torch, ladder and axe handy for when the zombie uprising begins. I believe that the Falcon tops the Enterprise, Freddy tops Jason, Trek tops Wars, Robocop tops Terminator, and No Pants tops Pants. And I will watch Powers Cosmic.
Hey guys! What?